My name is Chad Vleetstra. I'm the Associate Professor of Fire Science and Emergency Services here at Prairie State College. We had first heard about the SimRig, honestly searching the internet is how we had found it. This really caught my eye. I put some emails out. This was one of the first that we heard back from, and super responsive, great to work with. It was really the one that fit our needs the best. We previously had a ambulance that was donated to us, and just with the upkeep and storage and all the things that go along with that, it really wasn't a good fit. This is going to be a great fit for our students to really train in a real life environment. I think the most attractive feature was the fact that we could set it right next to our classroom. I like the trailered option. That was a neat option, but with the weather that we have, this is really going to allow us to, rain or shine, be able to work in the back of an ambulance. I like the fact that the package deal came with everything from the fit and finish to the emergency bags to the suction unit, the sim monitor. It was just an all-inclusive package and made it really nice for us, and that they're high-quality items. The EMT program that we currently teach, we've been teaching for well over 30 years. In order for us to be able to engage the students, we have to bring this kind of technology to them. I'm very thankful for the funds that the board has invested in us. This is really going to enhance our learning experience for the students, give them a real-life scenario of actually loading a patient in and out of the ambulance and working in the back of an ambulance. Hands-on is what we need to really focus on, and this is going to really bring our program into that next level.